Let's see how Carlos Yulo of the Philippines will be performing here at the parallel bars in the qualification. He had a score of 14.4 behind the 15.0 of Din Tan Pung of Vietnam.
He's psyching himself up. Last-minute preparations. And we shall see Carlos Yulo of the Philippines. Carlos Yulo of the Philippines. Starting off with a handstand. Swinging up. Forward.
Ye ka na, pre! Laban Pilipinas, pre! Pang gold medal na, pre! Sa Pilipinas, pre! Ye! Sige, pre! Kanak, tinuga, pre! Dapat... Atay tae, balen eh! Ye!
What's up mga kakulukoy? Shout out din ko ni Janet Madino from Santa Cruz and also ni Til Sumo from Dubai. Shout out ni mga idol. And also shout out ni Radi Samorano. O shout out ni Frats TV Vlog. Paki-follow to Frats TV Vlog. And also shout out ni Marisa Mandin Merto and Charging Buho. Shout out ni mo diha. Shout out ni mga idol. Thank you.